Today we're going to talk about some simple division. Now remember, division is actually the inverse or opposite of multiplication. So it's going to be a lot easier if you know your multiplication facts. Let's start with some easy problems. So for example, if we had 4 and we wanted to divide it by 2, looking at a visual representation of 4 pieces of pie here, if we were to divide that by 2, we would see how many slices are left on each side. 1, 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Now let's look at that in terms of multiplication, the inverse operation. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, so that makes sense. If it gets a little bit harder, just think about it in terms of the multiplication. So for example, if we had 10 divided by 2, you could think of it this way. 2 times what equals 10? Well, since I know my facts, I know that 2 times 5 equals 10. Therefore, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You can even do bigger and harder division problems by looking at it the same way. For example, if we had 300 divided by 3, think of it as a multiplication problem. 3 times what would give us 300? Well, now that we've studied place value and multiplication, we know that 3 times 100 equals 300. Therefore, 300 divided by 3 is 100. I hope that helps. Multiplication and division can be so much fun. Don't forget to practice your facts though, because that's going to be what helps.